Are you doing a video?
Mm-hmm.
And that's the cat inspecting my work. I'm replacing that beam under there, and I'm gonna pour some footings under it to hold it all up. So right now it's just all jacked up.
So what it looked like before?
This is the section of house that didn't have a foundation, that was just done on those concrete blocks you see there. It was rotted really, really bad before. We have a piece over here, you can see some of it. Here.
There we go.
And that's the cat giving it a thorough inspection.
The cat says, yep, that's rotted. Wow. So part 2 tomorrow, huh?
Yes, part 2 tomorrow.